Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious caramel honeycomb. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready and measured. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, as this will prevent sticking. Accuracy in measuring your sugar, golden syrup, and baking soda is key for the perfect texture. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and successful cooking process, setting you up for a delightful treat. Next, combine your measured sugar and golden syrup in a sturdy saucepan. Heat this mixture gently over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, increase the heat and bring it to a boil without stirring. Let it boil until it reaches 150 degrees Celsius or a rich amber color. This precise temperature is vital for the caramel's structure. Now for the exciting part. As soon as your caramel reaches the correct temperature, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately add the baking soda and stir it in very quickly and thoroughly. You will notice the mixture rapidly foam up and expand, creating many air bubbles. This chemical reaction is what gives honeycomb its distinctive light and airy texture. Work fast, as it sets quickly. Finally, pour the hot, foamy honeycomb mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. Do not spread it. Let it settle naturally. Allow it to cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 1 hour or until it is completely hard and brittle. Once fully cooled, you can easily break the honeycomb into smaller, irregular pieces. Enjoy your homemade, crunchy caramel honeycomb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.